Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to do a speed ramp within CapCut. So first let's drag our media onto our timeline. Then select the media itself. Then on the right hand side you want to look to the top here and you'll see speed. Let's select that. Then you want this little sub menu here, curve. Now you have some preset speed ramps here. I like this bullet or the jump cut, and pressing any of these will automatically put the jump cut, for instance, onto your video. So let's press the jump cut, and as you can see here across the top, this is the jump cut automatically added. So let's play the clip. You see it's ordinary speed here, actually a little bit slower, and it'll jump cut as it gets to this bump in a moment, as you see. Now if you think that's not long enough, you can come to the right hand side here and adjust the jump cut. So we'll go to here. You see it goes that quicker, that bit of a jump cut. You can completely customize the jump cut if you wish, so you could make it really different. So let's have a look at that. So that's how to do a speed ramp within CapCut. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.